It's Kyle from Minty 100 here, and today we're at a car show at Spartan Fireworks. Here's a Chevy. Manual stick shift. Here's a hauler, material hauler from the Army. Alright, look what else just came in from the car show. An Audi R8 V10. It's probably the nicest car here. I like it a lot. Red interior. Engine in the back. Looking sweet. Look what else just came. Here's the military material hauler.
This is nice.
Cargo truck.
Yo.
Big old tires. Stick shift also. Pretty cool. And here's a Nissan GTR. Pretty nice exhaust tips. Twin turbo. It's probably my favorite truck of all here. This is a pretty nice one. F-150. Dual exhaust out both sides. And here's this nice car. Pretty sweet, if you don't ask me. Great interior. And here's an old Camaro. This thing's pretty sweet. Stick shift. Like brand new interior, looks like, because it looks really nice. And that's it for the car show. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe to Minty 100.